Hello everyone, a warm welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well by God's grace. So today I want to share this very quick, delicious, flavorful coconut rice with you, okay? But before I do that, please like this video, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and welcome to if you are new, okay? So let's get into the video. So in my pot, I added about a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to add 4 cardamom, okay? So I'll add half a tablespoon of grated onion, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and like another teaspoon of garlic, all grated, including the onions, they're all grated, okay? So I'm going to fry this for about 15 seconds, okay? Then I'll add my coconut milk. So I added 2 cups of coconut milk. Give it a quick stir, okay? Then I'll add my salt, okay? Salt to taste, okay? So the next thing I'll add is some black pepper. That's 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then 2 cups of water. This is because I'm going to be using 3 cups of rice, okay? So anytime you're cooking rice, you should have the water should be just 1 cup above the quantity of rice you're going to be using. So yeah, so now I let it boil, the solution boil, or the liquid boil, okay? And I've added my rice, okay? So I will stir it nicely, and I'll cover it to cook on medium to low heat, okay? So once the rice absorbs all the liquid, I'll go in to fluff the rice up, and I'll just cover it with my parchment paper and let it steam for about 5 to 6 minutes, okay? Right, so I'll cover this with my parchment paper, and after 5 or 6 minutes, just between that time, not very long, I come in with my peas, okay? I'll add some peas to it, so to add a bit of color and flavor to it, okay? So I'll give it a stir. The peas are frozen, okay? So that's why it goes in around this time too, so that it can soften up a bit, okay? So you let it steam for another 5 to 10 minutes, and then your rice is ready. This rice, I can't say it enough. It's so good, so delicious. It's just amazing. I don't know how to describe the taste to you, but it's very creamy, delicious. You can taste the ginger, the garlic, the onions, they all come through. And I served it with my very delicious, my ever so delicious chicken gravy, which I'll be sharing with you very soon. It is an amazing gravy, trust me. So look out for that recipe coming your way very soon, okay? So yeah, that is the rice done. Yeah, you can see how fluffy it is. So fluffy, so good, so nice. Just I can't describe it, okay? So yeah, thank you for joining me today. And that is the gravy I just spoke about. You will love it, trust me. Just look out for it. Thank you for joining me. I'm very grateful to all of you. God bless you. And I will see you all in the very next one. Bye.